Hey, it's a little hack to fix the mold. Show this. So just the mold in your bathroom. When it gets on your caulk, you can pull it up by using a little saw and just getting it up and then recaulk it. But if it's not that bad, you can also take toilet paper and twist it into these little things like this. Here, I'll show you a new one. You grab one piece like this and you fold it like this. And then what I do is I kind of twist it a little bit, and that way it just kind of stays in place. And now I have a solution of half bleach, half water. I actually have a little bit more than half of bleach. And I soak the little piece and I put it here. And I let it sit there for 24 hours. Not even that long. Last time I did about 6 hours and it was fine. And it turns it white, it gets rid of all the mold. So if your caulk is just beginning to get bad, like this one is, where it has like little bits of water damage and mold and a little bit of scum and stuff, this is a really good little trick. You do it and it's really easy. Just make sure you wear gloves so you don't get bleach all over you. Good little hack.
I'm not a great cameraman when I'm allergic.
Oh, it's okay. You're fine.
Does it stick? Oh wait, I should be filmed. Does it stick when it goes upward?
Yeah, you see that? Isn't that awesome?
Yeah. Oh, because it's wet?
It's wet and it's got bleach on it.
Is bleach sticky?
No, it just kind of goes where you put it though. That's really it.
Hi.
Nice.
What about like on the edges though?
This is a different problem. This is a hole. This is actually going to seal.
Wait, is that where ants come?
No, but they could. No ants are in here. But if that kind of hole that ants come into.
Do you just smell the bleach?
Yeah, Joel actually doesn't smell like bleach. It smells like water.
I don't smell it because my
We
nose.
just pulled it off, and as you can see, it's all white now. Corner, it was a mess, white. All of this is white. Right over here was a mess. That was really bad. And that I just have to re-caulk one more time, reseal. But this one's good. All good. And that's the toilet paper with bleach hack.